Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having curry salmon. That's what I say it?
Yes man, something fast and easy, you know?
Easy.
Simple but light, you know? You know what I mean?
And I'm gonna have ice cream afterwards.
Cheap and clean. Okay?
It's buy one free Sundays.
She ain't getting no ice cream. She ain't getting no ice cream, she go to that damn bed.
Yeah, alright. So we have some curry salmon and my hubby made it. He had me try it and it is delicious. This is your first time making curry salmon?
No, you know I make fish all the time. I just throw curry in it, but I never do the salmon.
Oh, okay. Oh,
But,
yeah.
No? Family, y'all like curry? Let's see.
Ooh.
I'm gonna give you a piece of the fish. Just wait first. Let me just give you a piece. Some of the curry real quick. Hold on.
This is really good.
Camera. Camera, you know you say I piss me off from my camera. Don't embarrass me, my own.
You know what I love? You know I love curry.
Right.
I love curry. The flavor is very good.
Tickle me, man.
I'll tickle you?
Pepper and height.
Pepper.
Family. Pepper is in here. Only put one. Yo, family.
These
Let me tell you something.
Strong pepper.
Sometime we go buy pepper. You put 5 pepper in the pot. They're not hot. It's like the pepper get hot when you cook a little bit of food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree.
That's how the pepper them work. When you cook a little bit of food, family, but some of these pepper from the other day, whoa, the pepper that make you want to burn your body, man, you would, trust me. Yes, the pepper make you want to burn your butt. Yes. Family, no capping.
It is good.
This rice is nice. The pepper is not too overpowering. Just one I put in there.
One.
Yeah, man.
That's all you need. When I made the
you know,
pepper steak, let me tell you something. I put one pepper in there because you know we gotta have something spicy.
Yeah.
That's all I needed. It was really good.
Yes. What I said? No. I stopped eating the Grace. Grace ain't show me no more love. I'll get back to it. Here you go.
You ain't stop no Grace.
Here you go. There you go, take these. I'll give you that. Two for the price of one. No, I didn't stop eating Grace. I know you just asked, but I'm just kidding with y'all. Cause the food will be pepper red. These pepper be busting, so.
So you only put it on when it's not that hot.
Yeah. It's not that hot. It's nice, man.
Really good.
You like it?
I really do.
Rice buttery.
Nice and buttery.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, description.
Don't forget, it's in the description below. You know what I'm saying? So stroll down. It's there. Yes, it's there with the title. Just go down there. The greedy couple patties. They're here. Have no fear. Or not. If you don't want to do that, www.thegreedycouplespatties.com. We won't be there, but they're in there. Okay?
Hiccup.
Appreciate everyone that showing love again, you know? Really do. Yeah, hiccup.
Drink water.
You know, so I never want to taste so much of food, but the food nice, man, but not lying.
When you was cooking it?
Yeah. I didn't want to eat too much. Family.
I wasn't there watching you, so I know you ate a lot.
I didn't get a lot. But you there was nothing, there would have been no fish.
Wow.
Family. Have you drink water. Family. Do you taste your food when you eat? I mean, when you eat.
I hope so.
Do you taste your food when you cook? A lot of people don't like doing that because they say they get full. Yo, drink some more water.
What?
Pick up my. People said they don't like doing it. So. Here, you put my shirt. You alright? Feel better?
Get the hiccups to go away. Hold my breath.
Sometimes people say you only break cut to 10.
Come to what?
10. That works sometimes. But this is good. Salmon is nice.
It's very good. What did you say, honey, about the
What happened?
What are you saying?
I said I asked them if they taste their food, taste their pot when they're cooking.
Oh, cause they get full.
They get full, yeah.
That is very true.
Not me, family. You gotta taste my pot.
Especially if you're throwing an event, if you're cooking for a party or Thanksgiving, whatever. That always happens. The person who's cooking the food barely eats any, and then the next day they're like, I didn't taste anything. Because you're so busy running around and catering to the guests.
That's true.
This is good.
Good, like it.
It's very good. I like that you fried it first.
Yes, I fry it first. Yes, family. Yeah, tell him.
He fried it first.
Cause if I didn't,
If he didn't, it'd break apart. And I know he fried it because he came in the room and had me taste piece.
got to fry first. So if you just cook it down like that, it's gonna break apart.
Especially with salmon.
Salmon, yeah.
If it was curry chicken or you know whatever something else, you wouldn't fry it first. I mean, we don't. It doesn't mean that you don't do that, but.
But good peoples, what's good with y'all, man? Oh, we asked him about that again yesterday.
What?
About the everything about making the kids them go back to school. If they how they feel about the math that we did. That's a big thing on the news. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? But it's not like it's getting better. It's getting worse. You know? Corona ain't going nowhere. Corona is like what you call it? Like gas. You need gas. Gas ain't gonna go waste. You know, gas can't leave. So Corona ain't going nowhere. It's gonna be like that for a minute. Yo, this is good, D. I ain't gonna lie.
It's very good.
But let me tell you to put 2 salmon in them, you can. One salmon couldn't work. Shit.
And they're nice salmon too, you know?
Nice size.
We get our frozen salmon from Sam's. I love their salmon. Not the one that's pre-seasoned. No.
No, we can't afford that.
No. We like to season our own food. But it's really good.
But no cap. This is nice and soft. I'm gonna get them one piece with the salmon. I just get them the salmon alone and the rice before I give them the salmon.
Go ahead, you feed them. Me not feed them.
You know, I always feed them. I always feed the peoples. There you go. Ooh, see, I make it jump there. Take it back closer. Here we go. Try back out.
What I like about it is the spice.
Not too
Pepper,
spicy.
but it's not too spicy. It really tastes really good. I really like it.
I gotta get these pepper on these new batch of pepper. You buy? They're props because they're doing damage. No lie, family.
We need to go back to
Where?
planting a tree again. I told you guys we used to have a pepper tree. We need to do that again.
Yeah.
And use the seeds from this pepper because they're hot.
We're gonna do that.
Yeah. It's the red ones, the red peppers.
Them joints is hot.
It's the red or the purple.
I don't know what color they are, but they burn as hell.
They're hot. It's not the colorful ones. They're like reddish, purplish color.
Family just picked some coconut of a coconut tree.
Ooh.
I told him about the freezer. See if we get boy them and make them freeze.
Yeah. Ooh, I forgot about that.
So when first I take a drink out of one of them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This is good though.
I would have drank that with this food.
Next time. No. Salmon will fill you up, you know?
Very much so.
Cause it look
But
like
not
it's not
you.
big. Not me though. It look like it's big, but when you cut it, it's like different layers. That's what
Yeah.
be hitting.
Yeah. It's very meaty. Very, very meaty. So.
How y'all make your salmon? Y'all tell me. You know what I'm saying? This is real good.
Ooh.
What? Ooh, nice, man. You know the run?
Yeah.
The matter?
Yeah.
You know that only Everglades don't put on the fish?
No.
Yeah. On Everglades.
No salt, no black pepper? It's Everglades? Wow.
And
It
then
tastes spectacular.
yeah, and then when I put it in the pot, I put the black pepper. And the fish is on the fry with Everglades.
We didn't have any carrots, right?
No carrots. I was looking for potatoes in the fridge. Carrots to throw in here.
I know you.
We didn't have none. So I said, damn, I ain't going to no store.
Yeah.
Yep, I'll look for
I
all
know
that.
carrots would have been in here. Potato. I know him.
Carrots and potatoes. You know?
I thought we had some, but I used it.
So you take your time, man. You're part of my side, my time. I don't know where you come like you want to come on my side. You say one piece of fish or one piece of fish I get. Family, she said she only one piece of salmon, you know?
Oh, please.
And then she want to scrape over mine.
Nope. But if I wanted to, what are you gonna do?
I can't do nothing about it. Just make you eat it. I can't do it, eh? But family, it was 4 pieces of salmon I made in a family. I said, that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. I said, you know, let me fry.
Because it's 4 people?
Yeah.
4 pieces, 1 piece per person. Richie said no.
That ain't gonna work.
I need 2 for myself.
Do something for myself.
Yeah.
You know? First day, she want one for herself. Look, her salad done, mine are done. But family, on some real talk.
Really good, really good, really good.
This is really good. You know, we just be blabbering sometimes, but this is really good. You know what I'm saying? It was quick and fast too. You know, I said, you know, let me just go do this real quick. It was in the fridge. I said, you know what? This is what we're gonna eat today. But other than that, we appreciate all the new subscribers coming. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the family.
Yeah.
You see how the family members greet y'all to the family? That's what we do over here. You know what I'm saying?
So we're over here in the greedy land.
We're in the greedy land. When you come to the family and say y'all new, the family members, I'm gonna always show y'all love. Positive vibe over here, you know what I mean? So when you come over, we just talk and eat about anything. We talk, eat about anything. We do, but we just talk and have a conversation. But family members, they real.
Very much so.
Real family members we got over here, you know what I mean? Appreciate everyone that's commenting. I wish appreciate everyone that don't comment, but y'all watching. We know y'all watching though, you know? We love that, you know? But if you're new, this is Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady.
And welcome.
And we are a Jamaican mukbangers. Okay?
Which part of y'all you come from?
See you, brother. I'm gonna find you.
We both come from Spanish Town, Jamaica.
Yes.
Yes.
That's why I found First Lady.
Big up yourself, Damed.
But yeah. So if you're new, yes. We do that. We Jamaican. That's what people ask.
I'm Jamaican. I know where you are.
That's Spanish. That's Spanish. You want to eat some fish?
Nope. I'm full. I'm gonna eat my food.
You full?
No, yeah, my food.
Alright, so you just say you're full. Stay there then. Don't come back over here.
I don't want any of your food.
Family. She said she's full. Okay, good. Now I can eat.
So you're gonna eat that big piece of salmon without no rice?
Watch me.
That's so. I find that so weird.
Why? It's like you just fry fish by itself.
That's true.
Family.
But you do that with all your meats.
Yeah. You like my meat?
I love your meat, my youth.
Stop! Your nosy self. I know.
I really do.
You my meat. Only my meat. Naughty. Naughty Karen. Family. It's an inside. It's an inside joke. Is that the type of lady you are?
Stop telling the inside joke because they don't know what you're talking about. It's an inside joke, family. Just don't pay us no mind.
Don't pay us no mind. You gotta do it too. So don't act like you don't do it. Sometimes you're sitting at the table with your family and you just start busting out laughing.
And they know why you're laughing.
And you know you're laughing, you know what I'm saying? But just sometimes we just laugh. Just to laugh. Sometimes come on, you take piece, boy. I know you want beast. You can't eat my food. I mean, me's a food thief. You can't eat my food.
There's proof on camera that I've stolen your food several times that you didn't know.
No, it's not that because I'm chatting about my mouth. That's why. When I don't chat, they can't eat my food.
Yeah, that's true. But that is true.
When I'm family, when I'm not talking, she can't steal my food. But if I'm talking, you know I love talking.
Yeah.
But yeah, my family, no cap. This was good as hell,
good.
B.
Demolish this food.
Yeah. I gave y'all too much already. I'm not gonna give you the last piece. I gave y'all a lot. See? When I was giving it to y'all, I didn't want it the first time. So now,
because I heard one of them say, curry salmon, I don't want that.
Yeah, curry salmon, I don't want that. See? Oh, yeah, uppity now. You don't want curry salmon. Yeah. Okay. It's alright. Yo, that family, if you never try Everglades, if y'all live where a Walmart is, everybody have a Walmart?
They should.
Yeah.
We're gonna start selling it.
Yeah. Let's not sell it. Family, if you never try Everglades seasoning, it's in Walmart, right? It's in the
spice aisle.
The spice aisle. So he's the what do you call it? The mixture aisle. What do you call it?
No, it's called spice aisle.
Spice aisle, right? It's Everglades.
Or if you're in Sam's,
If you're Sam's,
they have it there
they have it too.
If not, let us know, and we'll put it on the website. We'll sell it.
But yeah, go check it out. That does miracles. You know what I'm saying?
All you need is Everglades on salmon, on chicken, on beef, on especially fried chicken.
Oh, that's why the RFC be busted.
It's not Everglades, but the way how your technique.
Yeah, you gotta know the fight. But family, but now.
Man, you have everything, man.
This
is very good.
Yeah. Family, look. She ate it off.
I'm gonna have a little bit of yours.
Wait, you ate it off for real?
It was very good.
Wow.
No cap.
Damn. That was amazing. Tom.
Wait a minute.
Mine tastes different.
Yeah, man.
I will put different sauce on mine.
What you put on there?
I put the meat sauce.
What meat sauce, honey?
You say you like my meat.
Nasty ass. Fuck you.
Family, look. She actually finished before me.
This was very good. No, for real. Yours tastes better than mine.
Comment down. No, I already said it. I already said it. They gonna know.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, it tastes good.
For real, your side tastes better than mine. Now I know why you eat my side.
Yeah, that's how. No, but listen, that's what I be telling you.
Wow.
Listen, I be telling you your side be better than mine.
It's true.
Family,
It's true.
clap for First Lady. Clap hands in the comment. Make sure y'all put some clap hands in the comment for First Lady. First Lady did good today.
Whoa.
Yeah, no clap. This was good though. I ain't gonna lie. This was really good.
It was very good.
When I told her first, I said, First Lady, I don't think I like it. She said, what are you talking about? I'm gonna be honest. I said, I don't think I like it. She said, yo, I don't know what you talking about. This is good.
It's good.
Yeah.
And I think the reason why you say you didn't like it at first is because you just made it.
Yeah. Make it soak. You gotta make it soak.
Whenever you make something, let that sucker soak, man. It's a whole different taste.
Yeah. No. Damn, First Lady, I appreciate you eating off your food today like
it was
that.
Very good.
You was hungry.
Very good. Wow.
Family.
Stop, guys.
First Lady did good today.
Okay, go on.
First Lady was in a challenge today. She won a challenge. But no, all fun and joke aside. When First Lady says she full, so don't bother with it.
Oh,
all right. Word of wisdom, we appreciate y'all watching us and enjoying it with us. So you know what time it is right now. First Lady, I want you to listen to this one, okay?
Better listen.
Family.
Because we're full.
Yeah. Truth is like a surgery. It hurts, but it heals. A lie is like a painkiller. It gives you instant relief, but has side effects forever. I'm different, right?
I love that.
Like that one?
I love it. I love it.
I love it, okay.
Let me love your meat.
Oh, hey, stop. Y'all don't listen to that part. Y'all nosy. Listen to it again.
That's good.
Oh, yeah, read it again, Pastor Richie? Okay, I'm gonna read it again, okay? I'm gonna say it again. Family, truth, sometimes, see, I can't talk, is like a surgery. It hurts, but it heals. A lie is like a painkiller. It gives you instant relief, but has side effect forever. If you could relate. You know what I'm saying? Participate, I know.
That was a very good one.
That was a good one, right? I had to go deep for that one. I have them, you know? If I go deep for them, I might see. Oh, check out my beanie. I'm in New York. Was popping, son. Appreciate y'all. We appreciate y'all. Thanks for rocking with us. I am Richie. This is First Lady, aka Shanice, but First Lady, one and only. You know that already. And they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Bye.